Hello, my name is Eloise, and in today's video, I am going to be sharing the unboxing of my 2020 iPad Pro, along with the second generation Apple Pencil. I will also be sharing my experience with the device after 2 weeks of using it, and why I think this was an intentional purchase. Without further ado, why don't we just get right into it? This is the iPad Pro 11-inch second generation with Wi-Fi. It is 128 gigabytes and space gray. I know that's a lot of specs, but somebody's going to ask. I also purchased this on bestbuy.com because they offer a $49 student discount for anybody that's a student. I am a high school student, so I always get the discount at Best Buy, whereas if I were to purchase it at Apple, I wouldn't get the discount because they only offer it for college students. So that's a little tip: if you are in high school and would like the student discount, just order off of Best Buy instead of Apple. Also, Best Buy arrived a little faster than Apple was going to because I believe Apple was on back order. This device is going to help me increase my productivity and also is going to be great for submitting homework assignments, taking notes, and also just consuming content. I am also really excited to have the Apple Pencil that is the second generation because it has the magnetic docking station that also charges it right on the side. I sometimes lose items, so this is great, and I have not misplaced the pencil yet. Whereas I think if I had the first generation Apple Pencil, I might have already lost it. I would also like to say that I have never had an iPad from Apple before. I have worked with them at school, however, I have never actually had my own. So this is going to be a fun adventure. However, it is a great addition to my Apple ecosystem as I already have a MacBook Air. So far with the summer courses that I have been taking, I have been using the Notes app very frequently. I love the app that already comes on the iPad because you can easily use the Apple Pencil, and in your settings, I would also suggest that you set to only use the Apple Pencil. So if you accidentally make a mark with your finger, it's not going to just draw all over, but this also allows you to scroll with your fingers without drawing these random lines everywhere. I have also been using the Files app very frequently to download lecture notes and other homework assignments, or if you are in a science class like I am, I have had a few labs to do online. This definitely is not going to replace a computer for me because I do love my MacBook Air. However, I think this is a great device to supplement with a laptop. If you are going on a short trip and don't want to bring a laptop, I think this would definitely do the job. However, I don't think it is going to completely replace your computer. So with that small overview of the device, I am going to end the video. If you enjoyed, make sure to give the video a like and also subscribe for more content. I will be probably posting regularly about productivity, study with me, day in the life videos, and also some adventure content because I love hiking, biking, running, camping, and I also love traveling. However, right now we're doing a lot of staycations. So with that, I'll see you next time, and I hope you enjoyed.